Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make herb oil. We're going to start off by using the scraps from our prep. We have the stalks from the cilantro and the parsley. And together we're going to add chopped basil and oregano. We're going to add 1 cup of water. Now we're going to puree this until it's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, we're going to add 1 cup of a neutral oil. Today we're using canola. Mix well. And it's ready to go. We're staying away from salt and pepper. And we're going to pour it into a deli container and store it in the freezer. Now, you could also use ice cube trays and make little blocks and just take out 1 or 2 every time you need it. And there it is, the herb oil. Now, this is good for marinating meats, cook it in stews, or even making dressings. Here we're going to pour it into a squeeze bottle and use it as a dressing for our salads and our plate garnishing. Now we're going to store this squeeze bottle in the cooler, and this should give you a good 7 to 10 days before it starts to expire. You could even actually try roasting vegetables and toss it into this herb oil when it's done. It has a wonderful flavor. Now remember, this is a temporary emulsion, which means your oil is going to settle on the bottom. So every time I want to use it, just give it a quick shake, mix up the oil and the herbs, and you're ready to go. And that's it. That's herb oil. Like and subscribe for more, guys. And once again, thanks for tuning in.